Hi, welcome to 106 Pinecrest Road in High Park in Bloor West Village. It's a very desired street. It is a detached 4-bedroom, 2 full bathroom house, brick house with a finished basement and a separate entrance. A nice little backyard oasis with a big deck and a pergola and a very nice veranda behind me. A phenomenal spot. High Park Station's just down the way over here. High Park itself is right there. Come check it out. It's a beautiful gem with all the character and charm intact with modern kitchen, modern bathrooms.